Good morning, dear students. Today we are back on online class of St. Lawrence School, class 10, chapter Inequations, subject Mathematics. Today we will study what is inequation. Now we are going to see here on the screen. You can read here. If x and y are two quantities, then both of these quantities will satisfy any of the following conditions. That is, x is greater than y, or x is greater than equal to y, or x is less than y, or x is less than equal to y. You can see here these four conditions. Each of the four conditions given above is an inequation. In the same way, each of the following also represent an inequation. You see here, x is less than 8, x is greater than 5, minus x plus 4 greater than 3, x plus is greater than 4, or it may be x less than equal to 8, greater than equal to 5, greater than equal to 3, and greater than equal to 4, or less than equal to 4 it can be, and they all will be called inequations. How to solve a linear inequations? There are many steps, many rules to solve the inequation. First of all, you must know, suppose any inequation is given 3x plus 5 is greater than 8. So solve this inequation means what? Solving this inequation means you have to find out the value of the variable used here. Here you have used x. You have to find out the value of this variable x. That means you are solving this inequation. The second, you can see it is 8 minus 5y less than 3. That means you have to find out the value of y in this inequation. This is the solution or solving the inequation. Solving means finding the value of the variable used in the inequation. Following rules will be used to solve a linear inequation. Number one, on transferring a positive term from one side to other side, the sign will become what? Change signs will be changed. For example, 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. So when you transfer this 7 on that side, it becomes positive to negative. That means 2x is greater than 7 minus 3. This is the rule, and it is normal rule. When we solve equation, when we transfer any quantity to the other side, the signs of the value are changed. So if it is positive, it goes that side, becomes negative, and if it is negative, then goes that side and becomes positive. You can see here it is negative and transferred that side, it has become positive, and they are writing like a second rule number. Number 3, you can see if each term of an inequation be multiplied or divided by the same number, the sign of inequality does not change. You see here x is greater than 6 I have written, and if I multiply with the 4 in both the sides, it becomes 4x and it becomes 4 into 6. So inequality sign is as it is. When we multiply or divide by any number, and number should be what? Positive. If positive number is being multiplied and divided in both the sides, the inequality does not change. And in the same way, if we multiply or divide with the negative number, suppose minus 4 is multiplied on the left hand side and minus 4 is multiplied on the right hand side, then minus 4x will become what? Less than 4 into 6. You can see here rule number 4, if each term of an inequation be multiplied or divided by the same negative number, you see, x is less than 6 they have written, multiplied by minus 4, then the inequality sign was less than, has become what? Greater than. Minus 4x is greater than minus 4 into 6. Number 5 rule, you can see if the sign of each term on both the sides of an equation is changed, then the sign of inequality gets reversed. You see here, minus x is greater than 5 it is written. Minus x is greater than 5. And if you change the sign of x, I have changed the sign there x, it was minus x, now it has become what? Plus x. And the 5 was positive, it has become negative. So when we are changing the signs on both the sides, the inequality sign gets reversed. It was greater than, now it has become less than. Rule 5. Number 6, if both the sides of an inequation are positive or both are negative, then on taking the reciprocals, the signs of inequality gets reversed. You see here, I will write an example here. You can see 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2 or not? Everybody knows 3 is greater than 2. If you do the reciprocal on both the sides, what it comes? 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. That means doing the reciprocal on both the sides changes the sign of the inequality, reverses the sign of the inequality. There is an example here. You can see, before solving the example on the screen, I will tell you, you can see here I have taught you many rules here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, many rules I have taught, but I will tell you one rule to solve. What is my process is, keep your variable positive. What is the rule? Keep your variable positive and solve just like equation. Keep your variable positive and solve just like equation. Now I will take this example to solve your question. It is written 5 minus 3x less than 11. Now they are saying to solve this inequation means we have to find out the value of this variable x of the inequation. Let us solve. What we do is, I have told you to keep your variable positive. You can see here 3x is negative. What we can do is, we can make it positive by taking it on the other side. So it comes 5 and 11 comes to this side, becomes negative, and it becomes what? 3x. Is it clear? Now your variable has become positive. Now what it comes, my dear? It comes minus 6. 5 minus 11 minus 6 less than 3x. Now what you can do is, you can divide both the sides by 3. What it comes? When you divide 6 by 3, it comes minus 2. And you see, there is no need to do anything. Now x is, your answer is what? X is greater than minus 2. An equality has been solved. If your set belongs to real numbers, then you need to write your solution set. Solution is written in the form of set, that is called solution set. X is such that it has already been taught. Writing a set, it has been already taught in class 7th and 8th and 9th also. 9th not there, but 7th, 8th it was there. X is such that X belongs to real number and X is greater than minus 2 and bracket close. This form of writing set is called set builder form. When your replacement set means from where you will select your values of the variable. You have to select the values of x greater than minus 2 from where? You are selecting from real numbers, means R is your replacement set. And whatever you are writing here, it is your solution set here. When in case of real number only, you have to write only and only in case of in the form of set builder form. In other, suppose whole number, natural number, if your integers are your set of replacement set, then you can take your values in the form of roster form. So this is the way I have told you, keep your variable always positive and solve like equation and all over. There is nothing more to do in this question to solve your inequation. We have an example here. I will solve this in example for you on the board, and this is the only question which will become little difficult, because here you get double inequality sign. 5 less than 2x minus 1 less than equal to 11, and x belongs to real numbers. I will solve. First one is p. X is such that 5 less than 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 less than equal to 11, and x belongs to real numbers. What you have to do is, you see, when you get double inequality sign, how to solve? You see, write your inequation here. 5 is less than 2x minus 1 less than equal to 11. Now this inequation can be written in two parts. I am writing this inequation in two parts. 5 is less than 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 less than equal to 11. Now the inequation has been written in two parts. Now you have to solve these two parts separately, and you have to follow the same rule, keep your variable positive. Now I am going to solve. Here 2x already positive, so 5 plus 1 less than 2x will be there, and it becomes 6 less than 2x, or you can write 2x greater than 6, or you can write x is greater than 3. Now second part we will solve. Already 2x is positive, so what you can write here, 11 plus 1 on the right hand side, and 2x less than equal to 12, and x less than equal to what? 6. So here your set P, solution set of in equation P will be what? X is such that X in the center, X is less than equal to 6 and greater than how much? 3. Clear or not? And here you have to write what? One thing more, that is X belongs to real numbers. And if you want to represent this set on the number line, how you represent a real number on the number line? You see, your left value is 3 and the right value is 6. Right here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. One extra always. 3 is here and X is greater than 3 means 3 has not to be included. 3 will not be included, and when the value is not included, we draw a hollow circle there. Hollow circle there, and here it is written X is less than equal to means 6 has to be included. If 6 has to be included, then you have to put a dark circle on that number 6 and darken the line. Darken the line, why? Because each and every number of the world is called a real number. So you cannot exclude any of the number between 3 and 6. So each and every number has to be taken. That is why the line has to be darkened. You can see here on the board. Now I will solve the inequation Q for you all. The inequation Q is written on the screen. I will copy here. Q is equals to X is such that minus 1 less than equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23 and X belongs to integers. Same way double inequalities are here. We will solve this inequation in two parts. I will write here minus 1 less than 3 plus 4x, 3 plus 4x and 3 plus 4x less than 23. Solve them one by one. Here already 4x is positive. Don't transfer this 4x on the other side. Transfer 3. It becomes 4x. It becomes minus 4 less than equal to 4x. And when divided by 4, it comes minus 1 less than equal to x. And solve this one. 4x already positive. Transfer 3 on that side. It becomes 4x less than 20. And it comes how many times? X is less than 5. When we write the solution set of this inequation Q, let us write solution. What we have to do, you see, solution set X is such that X belongs to integers. X belongs to integers and X is less than 5 and greater than equal to minus 1 and bracket close. This is the solution set of this inequation Q. I have written the solution set in the form of set builder form. I said that only the real number is written in the set builder form. That doesn't mean you cannot write the other equations in the form of set builder form. Every equation can be written in the form of set builder form, solution set. But in the case of real numbers, you can write only in set builder form. But in case of others, when integer, natural number and whole number, you can write in roster form also. Means this is also correct. And you see, I will write here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why not 5? Because less than 5. So you can write this format also, and this is called a roster form, and both are correct for X belongs to integers. Now you can see here they have asked the solutions of the line, different number lines also if you want to represent. And if you want to represent this set on the number line, what you have to do? Minus 1 to 4. So right here 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 extra always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here that side also I have written some extra numbers. Minus 1 has to be taken. Darken the minus 1 particularly. Then 0. Then after 1. Then after 2. Then after 3. And then after 4. Is it all clear? This is the representation of this inequation on the number line. And I have not darkened the line. You can understand every number is not your integer. 2.1 will not be your integer. So you have to take only 2 means you have to darken only and only 2, only 3, only 4, only 1, 0 and minus 1. Now they are asking intersection P intersection Q. Intersection means you have already studied common number only, and between these two sets, between this P and this Q, you can see only the common number is 4. So you can find out intersection of the two sets also and union also of two sets. This is all about this chapter. Study at home, practice the sums, and keep yourself safe and healthy. Thank you.